Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to find the area of this yellow shaded region, and to find the area we first need the area of this square minus the area of this big triangle minus the area of a small triangle. This segment is 4 and this segment is 8, so the whole side is 12. So we have 12 here and also 12 here. You know that if we have a transversal that intersect two parallel lines, all the acute angles formed are equal and alpha here, so we can use it here. So this angle, and I call it alpha, is equal to this angle, I call it alpha, and also this angle is equal to this angle, and also this angle and this angle are vertical angles. So these two triangles are similar, so the ratio of the corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write the ratio of this segment to this segment. So the ratio of 4 over 12 should be equal to this segment, which is the height of the small triangle, to this segment, which is the height of the big triangle. So the whole length is 12, the height is 12 minus h. So we have 12 minus h. So we can write 48 minus 4h should be equal to 12h. And if we add 4h to both sides, we get 16h is equal to 48. And if we divide both sides by 16, we get h is equal to 3. So now we have the height, so h is 3, and the height of the big is 12 minus h, which is 12 minus 3, it should be equal to 9. So we can write the area of the square is 12 times 12 minus the area of the big triangle is 12 times 9 divided by 2 minus the area of the small triangle. The base is 4 and the height is 3 divided by 2, and if we simplify it we get 144 minus, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 2, we get 6 here and 1 here, and 6 times 9 is 54 minus, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 2, we get 2 here and 1 here, and we have 6 here, and finally we have 84. So the final answer to the problem is 84. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a good time.